Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw an Among Us crewmate pressing the emergency button. It's going to be simple, easy, and completely for beginners. Stick around. If you've never drawn anything in your life, stick around to this. You will be able to draw this. And that's pretty much it. Stay to the very end of the video. I'm going to actually do something at the very end of the drawing that's going to tie it together. And that's it. Woo! Let's get started. Alright, let's get going here. Before I do that, don't forget, if you like learning how to draw Among Us characters, if you like learning how to draw dinosaurs, or anything of that matter, hit the subscribe button. When you click subscribe, it's going to tell you basically it's going to let you know when I post. And it helps the algorithm out for us, and for you, it'll just let you know through the through the feed. It'll just start popping up randomly sometimes. Like, cool, I want to draw that today, and, you know, that's what it's for. So let's get started. I'm going to go over here and draw the hand first, because the hand is going to be the closest to us, the viewer. Curve for the top of the hand. Pulling a line out here, out. Curve underneath. Go over here on this side, out, down, up. Just a little bit. See how it's mostly just like a straight line for like the pointer finger. Curve back. Gonna pull up. Curve underneath for in between the pointer finger and the middle finger here. Down. Down again. Curve underneath. Up. Out over here, in, out this direction. Curve on this side. Over here, in, for the ring finger. Then we're going to find the pinky finger over here. It's going to come out, down, curve along outside the pinky finger, up, in, and then that's going to join the rest of the top of the hand there. Let's draw lines here for the knuckles, like line, 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 and then maybe another line right here for the, you know, the one of the knuckles on the fingers as well. Okay, let's draw that button to get that out of the way, right? It's gonna be behind like a finger or two here. So I'm gonna, if I know that this is hard, okay? So just draw a curve, okay? Just think about the curve only first. Go over here, curve, think about that curve, and imagine it going through in your mind's eye and then catching it right here. Right there, that curve, like a bump. And we're gonna follow it up with a bump underneath here. Like so. Okay, so bump on top and a reverse bump on the bottom. It's like it's a tortilla. Down here to give the button thickness. Down here, just pull straight down. And we're going to copy this curve right there. Just another curve. If you're having issues with a curve, just take your time like this, see? Just take your time. Not a big deal. Do this in pencil, pen, anything you want. Cool, cool, cool. I'm gonna draw a straight line, an imaginary straight line for the thing the button's on, because he opens it up. Line over there. I'm gonna imagine that in my mind's eye. Put it over here. Don't worry about it. It doesn't have to be exact. I'm gonna pull a straight line out here. Over here, straight line out here. And I'm going to connect these across with a straight line. If you need a ruler, use it, but oh dang, see, whatever, I can adjust it. But you can just kind of, it's fine. It's cool for it to be organic and natural, because you just need the impression of stuff, like in Among Us. I think you don't really need like a ruler. I mean, a ruler would be nice. If you need it, you need it. All right. we're going to go over here and draw a straight line across. That's the thing he opened up the button. There's like this glass thing they uncover, right? So straight line over there. Speaking of straight lines, straight line over here. Line out. Out over there. Line in. Gonna connect it here. Every line traces over each other because it's glass. Line there. It's literally like a glass cover that they lifted. Like I said, it doesn't have to be exact because this is all just fun. Another line back here. And another line back here. And what it is we're drawing another box around this. See, we're drawing it through there. Line across here. See, mine's not perfect either. It's kind of wiggly, right? Not a big deal. And on this, imagine this being a piece of tape. You're going to draw these lines across. It's like the emergency button, you know? Or like a candy cane. But an emergency button. Alright. Let's go over here and draw the crewmate himself. Over here on this side, maybe around this area. I'm going to pull a line and I'm going to think of like a big bump, right? Because all he is a big bump. Bam. Maybe lower than that. Line across here. Go over here to the top. Back. Curve down. Down over here. Curve along the top here. Again, for the crewmate's visor. Down. And we have another curve over here on this side. Very, very simple crewmate this time. And that's it. That's all you need. You can draw like a little line here because it like shows some depth through that to that crewmate's visor. But that is it. That's the crewmate pressing the emergency button. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope that was easy for you to do. If you like this, hit that like. Hit that like. And also share the button. If you want to help the channel out, press the share button and share it to Twitter or any social networking platform that you can think of. And that helps the channel a whole lot if you want to do that. It's better than even tipping. It's just great when you share it. And I can tell when you share it because it brings back a lot of cool vibes. Thank you so much. And that's the end of the video. I'll talk to you next time and see you around. So if you're looking to upgrade your art skill overall, I highly, highly recommend you check out my Skillshare. It's also completely for beginners. The biggest difference is these are hour-long courses on drawing, like I said. So if you're starting out, this is perfect for you as well. It's just that I take longer on each particular topic to really ingrain it in you, and this is how people fully level up their art skill if you're serious about it. So like I said, I have things here on the basics of drawing. I have the anatomy. I go over anime as well. I go over cartoons as well here. I go over drawing basics. Also fantasy art topics like dragons and things of that sort. There's a dragon drawing video here. This is like pretty much the mecca for stuff like this. What you should do as well, normally this stuff is like $40, right? The whole website. But go to the link in the description of the YouTube video you're watching right now. Go down, check out the link with the hearts on it. Right below that, click that link for Skillshare. And that will give you, at least the first, I think the first 100 people, it's going to give you a free month of Skillshare. So basically you can see everything on this thing completely for free for a month without paying anything. So that's what's cool about it. So like I said, this is only for the, people that are very, very, they really want to do this and they really want to put a lot of time into this. Go check this out. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload. And on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.